Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll quickly see what are the current openings for freshers and experienced in testing industry as well as in development industry like Python, PHP, Java, etc. So if you are looking for manual testing and automation testing trainings, you can enroll to our training programs and make use of it. Also, if you are looking for switch from BPO to IT, and if you are looking to switch from manual testing to automation testing projects, you can enroll to our training classes. You can mail to this email if you are looking for training. Okay, let's start with the openings. So if you are a fresher, you can apply for these positions. Okay, so junior software test engineer, location is Trivandrum, Kerala, and you can email your resume to this email given. Okay, and you should be having one. You can also apply if you have 1 year experience in manual testing role. Also, if you are a fresher, also you can apply for this role. Just read the description also in preferred skills section. Okay. The second one is also for fresher opening in Trivandrum, Kerala in SHM Solutions. So if you have completed manual testing or automation testing questions, you can apply. So salary they provide is around 4 lakh to 6 lakh. Okay. Even if you have around 6 months to 1 year experience in testing industry, you can apply to this role. So the third one is also related to testing. So if you are a test engineer or having 1 to 3 year experience, you can apply to this role in Company. Okay, you can email your resume to the email provided here. The location is Trivandrum, Kerala. And the fourth one is also for fresher opening in Web and Crafts. So if you are an BTech, MCA, BSc, MSc candidate, you can apply for this profile. You can apply even if you have around 6 months to 1 year experience. Okay. So if your resume gets shortlisted or you're suitable for this profile, the HR will call you back. Okay. You can apply to the email given here. And the fifth one is also for freshers who has completed manual testing trainings or who has knowledge in testing areas. You can apply to career@abasoft.com. Okay, so you need to have basic coding skills as well as good written and communication skill for applying this role. And you should have good knowledge in manual testing areas like test case creation, test execution, defect life cycle. Okay, so as a software tester, obviously you should be having good test case creation skills. Okay, and the sixth one is also for junior quality assurance engineer role. If you are a fresher or having 6 months experience, you can send your resume to this email, and the location is Kochi, Kerala here. And the seventh one is also an entry level opening in Kochi, Kerala. If you are good in manual testing and automation testing, you can apply to this role. Just mail your resume to this role. Okay. So if you are not sure how to apply, I have provided an email, video on how to apply. Okay, for the companies, you can make use of this video. Video name is writing email for job application by Ajay Automates channel. Okay, just go through the video once before applying. And the eighth one is for system administrator role. So if you have completed DevOps or CCNA trainings, you can apply to this role. Okay. And ninth one is for walk-in interview. Okay. If you have experience in Node.js or if you have completed trainings in Node.js, you can take your resume and go to the company directly. You need to apply Technopark Pass for this. Okay. For more details, refer to Technopark official website. Okay. You need to apply Technopark Pass and you need to carry few things like your passport photo, your certificates. Okay. Walk-in date is 5th April. Okay, today is 31st March, right? Walk-in date is 5th April. You have enough time to prepare 1 week. Okay, as a fresher also you can go, or if you have around 1 to 4 year experience also, you can go to this walk-in. The 10th one is for content writer for freshers. If you have content writing skills and if you are good in communication, English, journalism, you can apply to this role. Okay, you can mail your resume to this email and HR will call you back if your profile matches their requirements. And the 11th one is for Python developer opening. So you can mail your resume to this email provided, and the location is Kochi, Kerala. So if you have completed any Python trainings, or if you have worked like 6 months to 1 year, you can apply to this email and see whether, and if you are shortlisted, they will call you back. Okay, this is for PHP developers opening. So if you have completed any trainings in PHP, you can mail your resume to this company. The location is Infopark, Kerala. And this is for MBA, the 13th one. So if you are an MBA graduate and you have business development executive knowledge, okay, you can apply to this role. Also, if you have around 6 months to 1 year experience also, you can apply and see whether your profile is getting shortlisted. Okay, if you are shortlisted, HR will call you back for further rounds. Okay, so we will switch to experienced openings. Okay, so far we were seeing mostly fresher openings. From now we will be seeing 1 to 10 years experience role. So if you are a manual tester and if you have 1 year experience, or if you are a fresher also, you can try sending your resume to this company. Okay, and the 15th one is similarly quality analyst role. So if you have bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, or later field, you can send your resume to careers@accro.com. So you should be having around good experience in testing before applying. Freshers, I don't think it's for us, for you. So if you have 3 to 5 years experience, you can apply to this role. They have not mentioned, I think, experience details there. So the 16th one is also quality analyst. So if you have around 5 to 8 experience and good knowledge in manual testing and deployment platforms like DevOps, AWS, you can send your resume to this company. Okay. So you should be having around 5 to 8 years of experience. The 17th one is also for automation role. If you have around 4 to 7 years experience, you can send your resumes to careers@fakik.tech. Location is Trivandrum, Kerala. And the 18th one is also for automation role for 3 to 5 years experience. So if you have Selenium and test engineering knowledge, you can apply to this company, and they provide opportunity for on-site Canada sponsorship in the future also. They have mentioned in the portal. And if you have experience as QA lead, 7 to 10 years experience, you can send your resume to sarasudha.v@grosio.com. Location is, they have given is Trivandrum, Kerala. Okay, and the 20th one is senior software test engineer. So if you have around 3 to 6 years of experience, you can send your resume to sundia.com. So you're not only sending your resume, go to their official website, careers page, and see whether they have mentioned there. So you can apply there as well. Okay. So this is also senior test engineer opening in Experian Global company. So if you have around 5 to 10 years of experience or 3 to 10 years experience, you can send your resume. So and wait for the HR to call you back. Okay, all these three openings are related to experience role. And the 23rd one is also for automation test engineer role. And if you have 4 years of experience in automation testing, you can send your resume to sodisys.io. Okay. And this is for senior QA engineer, 24th opening. So if you have around 3 years of experience in web and mobile testing, you can send your resume to careers@fericon.com. Also go to their official website and see whether they have given any same roles in their careers link. Okay, apply there also. So the 25th one is for developer automation role. So you should be having more than 8+ years of experience for applying to this role. And you should be having knowledge in any programming languages like C#, Java, SQL, and deployment techniques like Azure, DevOps, CI/CD, etc. And the 26th one is for Ernakulam location. Mention the subject line as software tester. You should be having 2 to 3 years of experience in manual and automation testing. So I think there will be many candidates in 2 to 3 experience. So apply and make use of this opening. And similarly, 26th one is also 1 to 5 year experience. So even freshers can apply and see whether they are calling them back. Okay, calling you back. Okay. So for 1 year openings, freshers can try and apply. So if you have good project experience or and they might call you back. Okay. And 28th one is for 4+ years of experience as a testing engineer. You should be having degree in this category and you should be having manual and automation testing experience. Okay. So apply to jobs at webandcrafts.com. Location is Kochi, Kerala. And this is for senior test engineer opening in Ernakulam. So if you have 4 years of experience in manual testing in web and mobile, apply to this company. Okay. And if you are a performance tester and you have good experience in performance testing using any performance testing tool, you can apply to this company. Location is Ernakulam, Kerala. And if you have experience as accessibility test engineer, you around 4+ years, you can mail your resume to this company. And there are few more, I think 8 more openings in testing. So if you have experience in manual and automation for around 1 to 3 years experience, you can mail your resume to careers@sparksupport.com. Location is Ernakulam, Kerala. I think there are many openings for 1 to 3 year experience and freshers in this month and next month. So make use of it. There are a lot of openings. So send your resume and wait for calls. Always be prepared in self-introduction and your roles and responsibilities in your project. If you are an experienced person, you should be very good in explaining about your current roles and responsibilities in your project. And the 33rd one is for senior QA engineer role. You should be having around 5 to 7 years of experience and they provide work from home opportunity as well. Mail your resume to ramya.raju@beinx.com. Okay. The 34th one is for QA engineer role in Ernakulam, Kochi. If you have 2 to 4 years of experience in software testing, you can apply and make use of it. If you have around 3+ years of experience in ETL testing, you can mail your resume to soumya.n@thinkpump.com. Okay. And if you are an SDET engineer, that is, you have around 6 to 10 years of experience in UI automation and manual testing, you can apply to manasi.balan@g10x.com, where location is they have given is Ernakulam, Kerala. And the 37th one is for lead automation test engineer, and you should be having around 6+ years of experience in manual testing and automation testing. Apply to this careers@techservant.infotech.com. And the 38th one is for senior automation test engineer. You should be having good knowledge in manual and automation testing role. So if you are having enough experience, you can mail your resume to sandra.paul@experienceglobal.com. Okay. And the final one is for test manager, test architect role. You should be having more than 10+ years of experience and you should be having test strategy and test approach defining skills, as well as you should be having process oriented skills. Okay. So obviously for 10+ years of experience, you should be having management skills. That's what they are looking for. And you should be good in manual and automation testing as well. Thanks for patiently watching this video. I think for freshers and experience, as I said, there are a lot of openings in March, April, and May months. So please apply and make use of it. Also, if you are looking for manual and automation trainings, and if you are looking for switching your current role from BPO to software, you can reach us and you can make use of our training programs. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more openings regularly. Thank you. Bye.